I'm Nicole Ottmann, service consultant here at Audi Kitchener-Waterloo with your tip of the day. We often provide assistance to our customers seeking to program their Homelink garage door openers, but since this technology interacts with components within your home, it can be difficult to troubleshoot sometimes. This video will outline how to program your Audi Homelink yourself. From the comfort of your driveway, access your Audi's MMI display and select Vehicle. Your next screen may vary, but you want to select your vehicle settings. You may need to expand the menu by pressing the left Select tab. Scroll down to the garage door opener and select it. From here, you will want to choose Program Garage Door Opener. Choose the button you would like to program. The indicator on your Homelink will begin blinking either here, on the center of the roof console, or on the visor. Hold your garage door opener approximately 3 inches from the Homelink buttons and press and hold the button on your garage remote. Once Homelink has learned your garage door code, the Homelink light will turn green and stay green. If your Homelink light turns green and begins blinking, press and release the Homelink button you are programming 2 or 3 times. If your garage door begins moving during this process, you can stop and select Yes on the MMI screen. If it is not moving, you will need to complete a few more steps. Select No on your MMI. These next steps are time sensitive and may need to be executed a few times. Begin by preparing a ladder underneath your garage door opener motor within your garage. Depress the Learn button located on the back of your garage door motor. It is usually highlighted in a contrasting color so that it is easy to locate. Within 20 seconds, press and release the Homelink button that you are attempting to program. Press and release up to 3 times to complete your programming. When the garage door begins to move, select Yes on the MMI. If you have any questions or need any guidance from your Audi service team, feel free to reach out to us and visit us anytime. We hope this helps and we look forward to sharing the next tip of the day from Audi Kitchener-Waterloo.